Say subscribe. Subscribe to Mommy YouTube channel. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that glow. Yeah, see that? Pretty? You like it? You like it? You want to lick it?
No, Mommy.
Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? You want to run? You want to run? Don't run, you know? Alright guys, so this video is going to be about my classes that were supposed to be held in Florida. Is my nose ringing? Okay, but they weren't held there. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but I do have classes internationally as well as locally, makeup classes. And when I was over in Florida, people kept on coming up to me who did not know that I have classes which is in Florida, which is very weird to me, which leads me to believe that there are people who don't know that I have classes. They didn't know that I was having classes in the area. No, which means that no matter how much I'm posting and posting on my different social medias and making videos, there are people who are still, they just don't know. So I'll be plugging my classes. I really hope you don't mind at the end of each video, or in the middle, or at the beginning. Now I'm having classes this December. Again, the classes I should have had in September, a couple weeks back. Hurricane Irma came through, and my condolences for those of you who have lost people, and for those of you who have lost your homes, and those of you who are starting over from scratch. I know that the keys took it really badly. So being over there during a hurricane was extremely scary for me. It's the first time Jonathan was traveling. He had no idea what was going on. By the way, he loves the plane ride. During the entire time the hurricane was going on, he really wanted to go outside because you could see the wind, the trees, and so the trees blew down in the apartment building where we were staying. I mean, it was just crazy. So because of that, I did not want my students to be class focused. So I made a very good decision, humanitarian wise, but a very bad decision business wise. And please understand what I'm saying. From a business standpoint, I could have still had the classes because the hurricane came in the evening on Saturday and classes end at 4. Now on the other hand, my students were still preparing for the hurricane. You know, they were buying food, and they're looking about the clothes, and like just buying stuff. When I say clothes, I'm thinking diapers. I don't know why, but they're buying stuff in preparation for the hurricane. We're spending money in preparation for the hurricane. So it would be extremely selfish of me to say, oh, the class is still keeping because I want to make my money. You understand? So I took a really huge hit business wise, obviously, and yeah. So the goodie bags have been shipped out to those of my students who did respond to me. If you're my student and you're watching this, please respond to the email. Even that, I've been emailing some of the girls and they're not responding. I don't know what's going on. I truly hope they're okay. I don't have numbers for them. All I have is just their email. So yeah, so it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7th, the 8th, and the 9th, and we hit the ground running. The very first day we're going to hit the ground running with December 7th through to the 9th. I'm sorry, December 7th through to the 9th. It's a Thursday to Saturday. Same time, same everything, same location, same everything. The only thing that has changed is the date. Huge thank you to my sponsors again. Pour Me by Lyric, Glam by Isaken, which you'll be getting your Glam by Isaken bags, goodie bags, goodie bag, sorry, they're part of the giveaway, goodie bag giveaway at the classes. And Shades by Gal, they sponsored as well for the class. So we're still going ahead and we're going to hit the ground running. If you want to register, you still can register. Do not be dismayed, you can still register, but unfortunately you will not be a part of the 10, but you can still register if you want to register. Now I have a liaison in Florida, and if you go through her, you automatically get $100 off if you go through her to get to the classes. So I'll leave her information in the description bar, so please pay attention to the description bar below. What else? Yeah, that's basically it. I'll also be having classes in Jamaica. I'll put the flyer up, yeah, and the flyer will be linked on my LyricRochester.com website. I need to get that up, guys. I am so busy. I don't know. I do not know. It's like I need more hours in the day, you know. And because Jonathan is going to school now, I thought that I'd have had a lot of time in the evening to just, you know, relax and film. Oh no, boo-boo. No. It's the complete opposite. I have to be rushing to get stuff done, and because you know I'm a driver now, because I'm driving. I'm just on the road, and it's just crazy this season that I'm in. I mean, when I was in Florida, my husband gifted me with the camera I'm filming with now. If you're following my Snapchat, you know what camera it is. Then we got new wedding bands because we celebrated 5 years. Whoa. And I got my license the day before I left for Florida. I passed my driver's license test, picked it up back. I mean, not back, picked up my license just within this week. And it's just a lot that has been taking place. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but I'm going full force as well with Fontana Pharmacy because of September. It just kind of threw me for a loop. So be prepared to see a lot of deals and steals on Fontana Pharmacy. Me working with them, going in the store, doing makeup, doing pop-ups, doing all that stuff. It's about to be on and popping. What else? PERISCOPE Fitness is sold by Draws by Needles. Draws by Needles no longer accepts cards for PERISCOPE Fitness purchases. Alright? They don't. So you have to come cash in hand. If you don't have a cash in hand, I'm sorry, but you will not be able to get the belt. It has to be cash only. Cash only. Please. Cash only for the PERISCOPE Fitness belt. But if you want to order online, you definitely still can at TEAMIblends.com. For my makeup brushes, it's FontanaPharmacy.com, and also their island wide. Wherever you find a Fontana Pharmacy, they're island wide. And I've been told by a couple of you that the brushes are sold out at different locations, which is weird to me because we literally just restocked. Like literally. So please double check. You can call if you're in Mandeville, Ochi, Sav, Mobe, Kingston, Mandeville, Ochi, Sav, Mobe, Kingston. Yeah, you can just call Google Fontana Pharmacy near me or Fontana Pharmacy near my location or whatever, and you can just call and ask for the brushes. What else do I have to talk to you guys about? There's a lot I need to discuss to you guys about, but for now I'm going to stop this video right here. It's just a really quick update. Mainly everything I covered I had to cover. My Florida classes were back on track December 7th through to the 9th. Everything remains except the date. Location, time, everything remains. Being certified, everything remains except the date. You can still get $100 off if you go through my liaison in Florida. If you register from the site, you don't get the $100 off. And yes, Papita, and my Jamaica classes. Yes, Papita. You're doing? You're defecating. Say defecate. Yes. Jamaica classes. The information, the link will be there for it to go on, and we will be discussing. For this focus for my Jamaica classes, and it's kind of a prelude to my. It's like the Florida classes are a prelude to my Jamaica classes. I want to focus on the business side. Of course, we'll still be doing a hands-on and everything. Alright, but I will be focusing on the business aspect. So this is entitled the Jamaica classes, makeup and mogul. You need to start making those coins. You need to start making those coins. You have invested in yourself. If you're coming to any of my classes, whether Florida or in Jamaica, you are investing in yourself. You understand? And to have invested in yourself and not seeing the returns is very frustrating. I've been doing this now for about 6 or 7 years, and I'm just now within 2 or 3 years ago seeing the returns of what I've been doing, so that we could open a business together, me and my husband, so that we could have the PERISCOPE Fitness. It's like it's doing everything, you know what I mean? So that, and I also yes, Papito, and I covered PERISCOPE Fitness. It's sold online, PEAMIblends.com, as well as in stores at Draws by Needles, Shop 7 Clock Tower Plaza, and they no longer accept cards for PERISCOPE Fitness purchases. They only accept cash for PERISCOPE Fitness purchases. Alright, and PERISCOPE by Lyric, my lashes as well as my brush sets is sold at FontanaPharmacy.com, as well as Fontana Pharmacy Islandwide. And I have to bring this to you because people keep asking, so I want to just yes, Papita, that's a stroller. So I want to bring this to you guys, make a video so I can refer them, yes Papa, to the video. That's it for this video guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.